This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Rick Boswell. Your new home is under construction and ready by April 2021. Luxury vinyl plank flooring and granite with stainless steel kitchen appliances checks off all the boxes on the main level, including laundry room and half bath. Upstairs for 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Full basement offers a rough-in bath and walkout access. Freedom at last and true ownership can be found at this site. Secluded and Private. This wooded 2+ acre lot, lot number 37 parcel 151, in Hidden River. No hoa, you'll love the freedom to do what you want on your own property. You can enjoy fishing, kayaking and swimming with community access to the Opequon Creek. Great centralized location, just 12 miles to Charlestown, 5 miles to 1-81 close to Winchester, Martinsburg, and Hagerstown. Great vacation area too. For more information